Hello everybody, it's the Phoenix 101, and I know it's been a while since I've gotten to Freeced, and Freeced, I know, and I'm sorry, bro, like, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Life has just been hectic, and I had to scale down on whose music. Oh snap! No, let me not say that. Let me not say what's up with my camera. Hello. Anyway, um, yeah, but we're here. We're queer, and we're ready to fear. I heard that on one of those. There was a dub, the Cell Games dub. That video is absolutely hilarious. Anyway, you should check it out. Let's go, Chainsaw Man. Hey, hey. Oh.
I drop all these hits. Simple man, I want all these chicks. Kiss them, then we gon' fucking dip. Kiss them, then let them tips. In the man, she gon' rub the tip. Different plan, we gon' run with this.
Oh my gosh. I was trying to keep his face, and then he just said something. I'm like, oh no, my goodness, it just got worse and worse. I'm just like, oh my goodness, I can't defend you.
Different plan, we gon' run with this. Listen in, you best run in dip. I'm switching in and I'ma turn your chick. See, I pull the string on every move.
I'm switching in and I'm going, and y'all know Denji's tongue. When he turned into Chainsaw Man, bro got that venom tongue, bro. Ooh, and he gonna do that to your girl? You gonna let that happen? You gonna let that slide? I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't gonna let that slide, Denji. You can cut me up. I ain't gonna let that happen.
Listen in, you best run in dip. I'm switching in and I'ma turn your chick. See, I pull the string on every move I make. Step to me and let
Literally.
me do the face. Ask you what we gonna do today. Revving up already knew the play. Step to me, change our plays while we can get him laid down. Step to me, way how I play now. He just dead way now.
He just dead way now in a mean way. And no man, dude. Oh snap. There was a bubble of air in me and I almost died. I almost died hyping you up, Blackwell. You better. Bruh. That's insane. We got Chichi doing power.
He just dead way now.
Blood on my hands, blood of whoever's in my be down. I'm ripping a tail, mortal or devil, you better beware. Just get down and grovel, I'm rocking your hovel just like bit of nails. So buddy, you better start running, cause I am the hammer and you're just a nail.
I really like that flow, right? And then she reminds me of that time when she was with the NLJ Cypher, the 7 Deadly Sins Cypher, the 10 Commandments. Yes. I know. I listen to it sometimes casually. It's a good cipher. Anyway, it's what she did there as
Blood on my
well.
hands, blood of whoever's in my be down.
I'm really
I'm ripping a tail, mortal or devil, you better beware. Just get down and grovel, I'm rocking your hovel just like bit of nails. So buddy, you better start running, cause I am the hammer and you're just a nail. I'm bringing all the blades out tonight. Feeling the hunger and I'm gonna take us live. Just mess with me, you'll feel it's good. Cause when you're messing with a bull, you get the horns, yeah. Kind of a
Yeah, you get those two little stumps. I'm joking. Anyway, that was fun. I like that. Who's next?
the horns, yeah. Kind of
Just see Box. I've never heard of you.
knife fight, alright, my somebody, yeah. Might take a life sacrifice to stick on me made. Another paycheck coming, how am I gonna run away? Catch me in a couple days, Nico says somebody, yeah. Let me cook, chop it up, Kubenihana. Never got a head with the katana. I'm trying to make a burger with a demon teeth at my honor. Get a little sloppy if the drink's on the devil's door. Hairpin matching the seam on my grip. No matter how you look at it, I'm keeping a clip. Reading my lips. Skills that didn't even exist till I was scheming and shit. I got a reason to live. Heels going out, these show streets, I take aim. Still throwing up with a double piece of bang bang. Do it for the dough, never going to college, G. Shit, who do I still owe an apology?
Okay, the ones who've gotten into character the most, actually everyone's gotten into character so far. I mean, Mere Blackwell's here some things, but that's for real how Denji would feel probably. Yeah, and Chichi came in with the power. Yeah, and Jessie, first time I'm hearing you, and I love what you're doing right now. And this is Kobani. For reals, like That was fun. That was.
Hey, yeah, gotta be the captain, cause you see the eye
Sorry.
tag. Booty on deck, but it's just a match. You can throw it up, I throw it back when I.
I'm sorry, but the way she said that, the way she like booty on deck, and I'm with the booty on deck. Like, yeah, what you doing?
Booty on deck, but it's just a match. You can throw it up, I throw it back when I throw it back. Catch that cat. Something like straight, can you handle that? Two screws loose, but enough intact. I'm counting my smoking there, 4 packs, and exempt from tax.
2 screws, loose, but enough is intact to make me a, functioning human being somehow.
Screws loose, but enough intact. I'm counting my smoking there, 4 packs, and exempt from tax. Every time I catch made a total, giving total, pay who knows what will need to be next. Go
True,
change my
who
right
knows?
hand man for the right eye shy of the last blow. Why? Cry for me, don't die on me. In the end, I can't be stopped. From the bottom, that switched it up. Just know I always come on top. Hey.
From the bottom, I switched it up. Just now it's coming top. Did she though? Oh, do you mean she always comes on top because the devil's tango? You want to prove that to me? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm not making that joke. Anyway, we got Schwabity. I know Schwabity really loves Chainsaw Man. Yeah, I watch his reactions and stuff. So, I know he loves Chainsaw Man. So this is gonna be interesting.
Hey, come try boxing with Top Knock. Nothing to lose, now my life's been a stopwatch. Open the door, now it's knock knock. Pop, pop, pop. Licking up to the foxtrot. Turn up the Cosmo, brain out the noggin. Gun devil limit it often. Burst into combat, cuss with the contact.
Oh snap! The noggin and then aiming the blick at him because. Oh wait, spoiler territory. Just know that guns and Aki. Dang it! Did I say too much? I don't know. Like. I don't wanna. I'm not gonna say anything.
Up to the foxtrot. Turn on the Cosmo, brain out the noggin. Gun devil limit it often. Burst into combat, cuss with the contact. Curse be the contract, nail in the coffin. Curse for the combat and spot.
Oh snap! Oh snap! That was fire. That was fire. And the nail in the cup because the sword is a nail, but the coffin and the nail in the coffin and the contract is a curse basically. But the curse is the contract. The contract is a curse, but the curse is the fact that I need a contract at all.
Coffin. Curse for the combat is falling a gun. Vengeance the mission, I swore on an oath. Dog on my side, he can knock the bones. Dog off a leash, pull the coat and he's gone. Future devil can't hold my.
That's so true because he just come. Hey, I'll be master. Yeah, come. Hey, yeah, we gonna do that. Yeah.
Vex my bread, his hand thrown on sight. Heart on ghost and my soul on ice. Cold with rounds like a snowball fight.
Snowball fight like a throw small mics.
Y'all know snowball fight. I think it's a little too soon, Schwabity. It's a little too soon, man. That snowball fight, bro. That's the. All I'm gonna say, guys, is cold rounds like a snowball fight. That's a bar. That's a bar. That's
like
what
a snowball fight.
Snowball fight like a throw small mics. With the flow so bright that I glow all white. Wanna hold me tight, call it a big risk. Not but a skill diff, I could go all night. Fanboy, definitely beast in your man sheets and poor. You always think I can handle this weight. Checking up with that a miraculous team. But if I lay a single hand in them, will answer to me.
Yeah, they was getting down though. They was getting down.
For the job, I just forgot to lay low. Real talk, I'ma give an ops a halos. Accurate the way I got these eyes on me. Every look of soft serve, putting nice on wings. Now I got you when I see that these nuts are enamored. But you can't touch this, not just if you're hammered. I'm the
Bro, what did you just say?
nice on wings. Now I got you when I see that these nuts are enamored. But you can't touch this, not just if you're hammered. I'm the angel on your shoulder, I'm the devil on your shoulder. I'm the gender that you envy in a plentiful manner. 19.
He's the gender that we envy. I mean, sure, maybe some people. But okay, that was fire. Freeced. You gidoo dude.
In a plentiful manner.
19.
Dan.
What is it, man? Shot neither one of these things. And I come with these same things. I'm in between. I don't wanna be mean, but it's gonna be mean. If you wanna get D, shiver float. We're gonna need a bigger boat, baby. Shot, do 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 do, banging shots. Do, 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 do.
That's crazy. That's crazy. Bro say shark do 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 do. Man say shark do 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 do. That's crazy.
Gonna need a bigger boat, baby shark, do 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 do, banging shots, do 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 do. Now do what, do do
That's
do
crazy.
do do. If the 2 Chainz are hierarchy, then you're 2 Chainz and I'm Rocket. Paul McCartney, you're Rick Starkey. When I come
Oh snap! The 2 Chainz hierarchy, 2 Chainz, and I'm Rock. That's fire. That's fire.
2 Chainz are hierarchy, then you're 2 Chainz and I'm Rocket. Paul McCartney, you're Rick Starkey.
That's
When I
crazy.
come news brave enough to call a Shark Week on the marquee, or digging Tarsic, just stuck on a tiny island with a palm tree. I never sleep, but the cut on the depth, I mean it literally is, cause I within a breath, I got gales, I'm hunting for palm, just wanna have fun with the dunk of my trunks.
This was a fiendish cipher. You get it? This is a fiendish cipher. Yeah, I know. Yeah. This is crazy. Shabdi's verse was my favorite because there's so much he said there that I can't even talk about. Spoilers, but like, yeah, man, that was crazy. Remember, Blackwell did his thing, Chichi did his thing, Power did his things. There was someone, something Box. I liked her. I liked her a lot. Her yes, Jessie Box. Really loved your verse. Great job. That is Cobain. You are Cobain. Schwabri. Enough said. Freeced. We're here, we're queer, and we're ready to fear. The Junk in the Trunk by Dan Bull. Bro, when Shark the do on. Huh? The do. That is crazy, bro. You gonna put that in a verse? That's crazy. So this was fun. Let me know how you felt about this.